Hello, hello. Good morning. Let's practice the vocabulary words of the long vowel A. Yes, the long vowel A sound is A. A. Number one, we have cane. A. The E is silent. Okay, we don't hear the sound of the letter E. Only the sound of the letter A. Cane. Number two, we have cake. Cake. A. Again, the letter E is silent. Okay, we don't hear the letter E. Number three, we have the A with the I. When we have these two vowels together in a word, we use the non-vowel sound A. So we say A, pale, pale. Next one, rain. Again, we have the vowel A and the vowel I. Rain. Next word, we have vase. We have the vowel A and the silent E. So we say A, vase. Vase. Next word, we have sail. Sail. And finally, we have the letter A with the letter Y. When we have the A and the Y, we use the long A sound. A. Ya la Y no suena G, sino que suena como A, ¿verdad? Entonces, we say A, pay. Next one, rake. Rake. Then we have the word tape. 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 And the last word is nail. 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 Bye-bye, guys. Don't forget to practice.